Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Narissa and today I'm going to be creating a makeup look with this palette right here. So I actually just randomly walked upon this palette when I was at the store the other day. And I said, let's purchase it and see what I can create with it. So the first color I'm actually going to use is going to be this one right here. I think when I'm doing my makeup, I always start with my right side. Maybe my right side's my favorite part of my body. I don't know. But I'm also right-handed, so that might be the reason why. I tie my right shoe first. Let's see. I think I put my right pants leg on first. Just some random things, people. Just kind of random. Okay. I like the way this looks. I like this shadow color. I also like the fact that there doesn't seem to be a whole lot of fallout from it. That's very nice. So I have this thing with eyeshadow palettes where I've come to the belief that you kind of get what you pay for. And sorry, I have shadow. You kind of get what you pay for, and I would rather pay a little bit more for an eyeshadow palette. Now, this wasn't an expensive palette, but I will pay more for a palette if I know the pigmentation is going to be better. Because there's no point to me of buying an eyeshadow palette and I'm using it and you can't even see the colors. Like, that's just a waste of time. And because I am a woman of color, or aka a black woman, certain colors look different on me versus how they may look on the model or something like that if the model's not my complexion. So getting something that's pigmented is high on my priority list. So let's see. The next color that I want to use is going to be, let's try this. I'm so torn between trying the purple. I'm assuming it's the purple. And these don't have names on them. I actually like when palettes have names on them. But between this purple color and this, I don't even know what to call it, but this one right here. Oh, it kind of looks pinkish on camera. Okay, so mauve maybe? I'm going to try the mauve color. And I'm going to put that into my crease. Ooh, pretty. Okay, and I'm just continuing to blend and blend and blend. I think that's one of the biggest challenges when it comes to doing eyeshadow is really learning how to blend your eyeshadow very well. Okay, now on my other side. Okay, now Let's see, the next color that I am going to So now I'm going to now all I'm doing is using a little foundation so I can change up the color right here. Just a little. Okay. Now I'm going to do that to the other eye. Okay. Now I'm going to take this really pretty shimmery color right here. Okay. So now I'm going to go back with my other brush and I'm going to try to blend these two in with each other a little. Okay. So that's the current eyeshadow look. And I actually think I want to go back and use this purple color and make it a little darker in here. So let's try that. And now the last color that I'm going to use is going to be this color right here, and I'm going to actually use it to blend into my because I don't want it to look too harsh, so I'm going to use that to blend it. Okay. Next, I'm going to use this gold eyeliner. I just want to try something a little different. Let's see. And if you don't know, golds are like, I love the color gold. I love all the shades of gold. I love all of it. So for my underarm, I'm going to use this mauve color. And then I'm going to use this kohl eyeliner. And my makeup look is almost complete. So now I'm using the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, which is my favorite mascara ever. So I'm using the color Matte Glam, and I lined it with Spice. And that is going to be my completed makeup look. I hope that you've enjoyed today's makeup tutorial. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.